Hello and welcome to a short night tour on foot through the former Western city center of Berlin, the sites around famous Kurfürstendamm, Boulevard, as well as the iconic historic landmark to the former Western sector, the very famous William Memorial Church. The church straight ahead was built at the end of the 19th century and was badly damaged during a British air raid in early February 1943. First, the main spire was hit, fell then on the main nave, and is severely damaged and almost totally destroyed the church. One can see from closer the original bullet holes that were left by Soviet soldiers when they've invaded and besieged Berlin at the end of April 1945. It was first planned to level the ruin completely, but the brave people of Berlin there wanted to have it as a reminder against cruelty of World War II, so it was reinforced and left as one of the most famous World War II ruins of Germany. The old building is nowadays a museum with an exhibition hall telling you the story of the church. And then it was necessary to give this neighborhood a new parish church. And the city of Berlin decided to have a very special and very modern new parish church that you can see here. It was built by Egon Eiermann, an architect of the Bauhaus movement. You can see from its inside the beautiful blue light, what is provided by 22,200 handmade, single-made, designed, stained windows. So this building is indeed a parish church of this parish in Charlottenburg. I just try to zoom in a little bit, showing you the wonderful glasswork. Of course, inside you'd be merged into a beautiful blue atmosphere. The church is next to famous Kurfürstendamm Boulevard. It used to be, still at the end of the 19th century, a bridle path taking the royals and the gentries from a former hunting lodge to the royal residence. And then only in 1886 it was turned by famous Prussian Chancellor Otto von Bismarck into a beautiful residential boulevard. And Kurfürstendamm is still today one of the most important shopping streets in former West Berlin. Yeah, this is here the center of the former western part of the city that was more or less ruled right after World War II by the three Western Allied forces, the British, the American and the French. So we are not right in the genuine historic part of Berlin. This is to be found in the east, that was first named the Soviet-occupied zone and then had become, in 1949, with the foundation of East Germany, the capital of East Germany, East Berlin, capital of the German Democratic Republic, abbreviated GDR. Try now to focus in to the spire and showing you here more preserved pockmarks and bullet holes of the Soviet army that had to fight street by street, building by building, room by room. Besides of this, we're also very close to the former main train station to West Berlin. I hope that one can see the letters. Bahnhof Zoologischer Garten, zoo station that might be known to some by a song of the famous Irish band U2 that is indeed named Zoo Station. Also, David Bowie has dedicated a song to this station when he lived in Berlin in the 70s. Nowadays, Zoo Station, in German simply Bahnhof Zoo, is a local station. Now we're coming also to a sad place, as there are sad places in every city. It's the square right in front of the church that gives us always enough space for nice markets, especially Christmas markets. And you can see now here on the steps the memorial to the terrorist attack of December 19th, 2016, when I'm sure you heard about a truck plowed into a Christmas market that used to be here. 12 people got killed on that terrible evening, and to honor those people, the city has put up here a memorial. There are still wreaths and flowers because it's early January, so the day it happened, December 19th, is not such a long time ago. So, if you would like to learn more about this area, and especially all the other very interesting sites of Berlin, related of course to Prussian history, history of World War II, the Third Reich, the Cold War, I'd be happy taking you on a private tour to explore all of it. Best regards from Berlin. Yours sincerely, Harold Zawuski, your Berlin expert for custom-tailored private tours in Berlin and surroundings.